What's up there, YouTube? So, just a quick DIY RV camper mattress. Our RV didn't come with a bunk bed mattress. Oh, look, there's Bjorn. And, well, so we are going to make one out of this old mattress we had laying around instead of going out and spending money for a specific one. So we have this IKEA one. It's your regular old Sultan Timon. And so these are all just sewn in. So you open this, you unzip this, and you'll see you just cut these circle sewn parts, and it reveals this mattress is just foam and covered in like this cloth. So once you have this open, measured, yes, Ailey, you cut this part, the fabric, I don't even know what you call that. Ailey, what do you call that? You cut the stuffing, then you cut the foam, and then you cut the stuffing again to size, and then boom, you have yourself left over the mattress of your size. And so we'll just wrap, why won't this focus? Well, hey, don't put that in your mouth. We'll wrap this up with the remaining cloth, and that's how we get a mattress to fit the size that you need. And I'll show you guys when it's installed. Alright, so this is the finished project to home make your bunk mattress by cutting it and making it fit. It looks like it was supposed to be here, and it's gray, matches the walls, and we measured it right so that it fits perfectly. Remember the saying, measure twice, cut once, and that sure worked out here. It looks like it raises on this side, but it's probably just a floor or whatever, but it's just a bunk bed. So I'm pretty sure it was way nicer than whatever mattress was here, because this travel trailer didn't even come with a mattress. It came with one for down here, but we're making this a play area, and the mattress was absolutely disgusting. So yeah, man, IKEA, if you don't have one of these, just get one and make it work. Just tuck a fitted sheet there, and you have yourself your own homemade cut to fit mattress for your trailer or whatever. Alright, till the next time, if you like the video, subscribe or thumbs up. See you on the next one.